Gonna do a review of this ZENY tween tub washing machine. I'm using with just a regular free and clear detergent. Put in just the regular amount, not the high. And as you can see, the water is getting nice and dirty here. Make sure you don't overload it. You can even run it with the lid here open, not an issue. Usually run it for 15 minutes. And then a couple of 15-minute rinses, you just fill it back up with water and run it on wash. There is like a hose that you can fill this in through, but it doesn't really connect to anything, so just use the regular shower head to just stick it in there and fill it up. Fill it to the fill line, or you can draw your own. It's see-through, so it's kind of nice. You can just draw that and see where that fills up. And you just sit here as it's filling up. Then when it's done, you put it in. It's basically like when you go to the swimming pool and you can dry your swim trunks. Well, this is the same exact kind of system here. Just 3 minutes, and it dries about half the load that you washed. Makes it nice and dry, and just air dries basically by the end of the day. And it doesn't come with lint catchers, so I kind of had to rig a regular, like I don't know what it was, maybe like a coffee strainer with some zip tie thingamajig there. And the only other thing is you got to put it on a level surface. So this chair is a little slanted. That got an indentation in it, so I basically put a little box there. And use a bungee cord just in case, when the spinner is pretty powerful. But yeah, great little washing machine. Definitely recommend it after a couple of months of use. And I hope you enjoy it.